Namaste. Hello everyone. Many of you are struggling to learn headstand. So today I will tell you some steps and some tips through which you can learn headstand very easily. Even you no need to take support of the wall or anybody else. If you go through with these steps, easily you can learn headstand, and within a week you can learn the headstand. So I am going to tell you part by part with the counts. Count 1. Try to interlock your fingers like this. Count 2. Try to place your fingers just behind your head. Elbows are lifted. And count 3. The top part of your head should be down and you have to make balance on your head. So in count 3, slowly put your head down. Try to place your hand properly. Count 4, try to raise your back, and along with that you have to keep your knees straight. Now in count 5, slowly try to place your toes forward or close to your face. As much as you can, bring your toes close to your face, your back will be straight. Now in count 6, within 1 or 2 days, you will be able to come in this position. Count 6, slowly try to bend one knee or try to lift your leg. Here, try to balance in this position. You might fall, try for 10, 11 or 12 times. Then in count 7, try to raise your both the legs. So in this position, whenever you can come, then easily you can perform headstand. This is the first step. After that, you try to come in this position. Do not raise your legs immediately. Try to be in this position. And slowly back to the normal position. And little bit relax in this. Keep your arms straight. Put your head down so that your blood flow get normal. So this is the one step. This way, if you go through, within a week you can learn headstand. I will come in next video. I will tell you the next part. Thank you and practice.